Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a poacher's knot. This is great for applications such as hunting and general purposes. Start by creating a bight, then wrap the working end around towards the loop. It needs to be wrapped around twice. Then feed that working end through the wraps. Tighten and dress accordingly. Once done, we have a very secure adjustable loop which can be used in a variety of materials, including slippery synthetic ropes. It requires less rope than compared to a figure 8 follow-through loop, but unfortunately can be difficult to untie when exposed to a load. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.